Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, finding the slope in a point on a line given its equation in point-slope form. So, point-slope form is, in my opinion, one of the more useful forms of lines, and it doesn't get the credit it really deserves. So looking at this, it's really more about analyzing the form than actually doing anything. We're not going to be simplifying or solving or calculating or anything like that. So one thing to notice about lines is whatever the name of the form is tells you exactly what's inside of it. So in point-slope form, I'm going to get a point and a slope out of it, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So the slope is probably the easiest thing to find. That's the number in front of the parentheses on the right side there. So it's just negative 3/4 in this case. The point, on the other hand, is a little trickier. But we know it's going to be a point, so it's going to be something comma something, right? And the numbers that are going to go in here are based off of the numbers that we didn't use yet, in this case the 2 and the 5. But you have to be careful to make sure you get them in the right order. Most people's gut reactions when they know it's going to be the 2 and the 5 is 2 comma 5, left to right and all that kind of jazz. But it's not. So there's two important things to note here. One, the number with the x is the x coordinate down here. So the 5 is kind of tied in with the x. So it's going to go first. But it's also going to have its sign flipped. So instead of positive 5, it's going to be negative 5. Okay? If it was subtraction here, it would turn into a positive. You'll just change whatever the sign is. And then for my second one, as you probably guessed, I'm going to use that 2, because it's the only one I haven't used yet. But it's also going to have its sign flipped. So instead of positive 2, it's going to be negative 2. So the point on this line is going to be negative 5, negative 2, and a slope of negative 3/4.